begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Xilir Technologies. Today we are going to demonstrate project name IoT-based air quality measurement system. This is Arduino microcontroller, Wi-Fi module, MQ135, MQ5, temperature humidity sensor DHT11, dust sensor, its circuit on 0 PCB board, buzzer, LED, 7805 circuit. This board is on 0 PCB. This is your socket. Then we have rectifier diode here, 1N007 part number, cylindrical electrolytic capacitor. Then we have this header which will give ground, and this is 7805 IC. This IC work is to give 5 volt. Even if the input is 6 volt to 36 volt, it will give 5 volt stable output because we need for these sensors. This one is LCD. MQ135 here, MQ5, temperature, humidity and dust sensor value in microgram, okay, slash cubic meter. Then we have the sensor here, okay, in this one is the electrolytic capacitor, 100 microfarad, and this one is your 150 ohm resistor. For this one we have DIY video how to integrate this dust sensor with LCD and Arduino. Now let's see output of this project. First we will see dust sensor. These are the value in microgram slash cubic meter. So we will see this should increase. You see this is more than 495. LED is glowing and buzzer is making sound. Okay. Similarly all these value will increase. This one is temperature and humidity. Temperature, humidity, dust sensor value, MQ5, MQ135, and this is your carbon monoxide sensor. Here we can use different sensor, and here we can see the outputs. These are the IoT output, 113 entries, and these are the charts. And here we can change the location where project exactly is, and these all parameters can be changed. Okay, like this one is temperature, we know, so we can just open it and write temperature here. Okay, like this. So this changes to temperature. Then this one is humidity, and this one is your MQ5, MQ135. Then we have temperature, humidity, and this one is the value of gas sense. This dust sensor. So you see when you make the peak, then it's back to normal, and this can be changed using this area channel setting and change this value latitude, longitude. You can add it of your areas. Okay, yeah, that's it. For more details about the project, please check description. Thank you guys for watching the video.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based component hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.